right? You see it in the title. Razer Phone 2 unboxing in September 2020. Let's get right into this. Yes. So, while I'm cutting this open, what I'm going to say immediately is that I do not like that this thing does not have a headphone jack. I seriously do not. But I was down to pretty much two choices for a modernish phone that still had a 16:9 aspect ratio. It was either the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium or this. I decided to go with this guy because it just had more RAM. It was more suitable for gaming and all that. And then for the XZ2 Premium, I also did not like that for some reason the camera didn't have 4K 60 FPS. Like, what? I don't know what Sony was thinking. Maybe somebody or the whole team over there had way too much sake to drink. But I find that ridiculous that on a phone with Snapdragon 845 they couldn't include 4K 60 FPS. Like, I mean, granted, the Razer phone didn't have it at launch, but at least these guys included it in an update, so that's good. Although, another thing that also scares me about this phone too is the fact that its replacement parts are non-existent. But that means that if anything goes wrong, I hear that you have to send this like to Singapore or something like that for the service team to fix it. I mean, you could probably buy like some spare parts from eBay or whatever, but those, from what I get to understand, are very expensive and they're obviously not new. So, something to also bear in mind with this thing. Oh, did this guy just seriously give me it in the retail box? Wow. Yeah, would you look at that? Yeah. That is pretty... Oh, and a clear screen. What? Look at this. A clear case. And a black 2D case. Now what's interesting about this is that I actually bought this in green. So you'll see that soon when I'm finished unboxing. Because when I'm finished unboxing, actually I have some Amazon shipments I was waiting for them to all come in. So in fact, actually I think I might even unbox this with this phone. So yeah, we can see that 4K 60 FPS for the first time on this channel. Yes. Flagship gaming. Okay, let me turn on this light here so we can read that. So, yes, that is truly epic. And now, for the goodness. Really cool that you actually include the retail box. Wow, like when you buy a used phone, you don't really expect to see this, but this guy, wow. Oh, what's this? See, this is what I love about Razer's products. Like, the unboxing is just always so satisfying. Like, the presentation and all the goods that they pack in these packages is just like, oh man. Oh, would you look at this? Stickers too? Dang, I feel like I bought a brand new phone. Wow. No, this is seriously impressive. Man, Razer, man. They may be expensive, but you know what? It's worth it. Okay, so this is just the instruction booklet. It tells you where things are, how to operate it, and etc. etc. Not gonna bother going through that because you know what? You're here for this. Oh, wow. This feels really cold. It's very glassy. Definitely not something I'm really used to because all of my daily drivers, with the exception of my iPhone 6s Plus, they're all plastic, so I'm just used to holding plastic things. So to be holding something that's just entirely glass, that's definitely really different for me. Oh, is that a SIM ejector you see there? Yes, I think it is. Let me bring back the frame. Yeah, you can read this here. Does it look too grainy? No, I think it looks alright. But yes, the SIM ejector is right there. I thought it was a booklet I could open for some reason, but it looks like that's apparently not the case. So I'll just put that back in here. Yes, I know. You really want to see the phone, so do I. But before we get to that, I must do more trolling first. And then there's this USB-C. That's gonna come in handy. And there is also this. Okay, where's the dongle? Because that's gonna be very important. Because look at this thing. No headphone jack, which is extremely, extremely sad. But at least there's still a way through this hole, but still, a gaming phone and no headphone jack. What the actual hell? Anyways, so let's power this guy on. Where's the power button actually? Is it on this side or is it on this side? What does this do? Is this it? Oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's just this guy down. Oh, what's it doing? What is that? What is that? Wow. Okay. That's different. Yeah, that's very different. Okay, if I sit down, does this look good? Or do I need to still keep standing? Okay, I think I need to keep standing. Did this thing just power off? Okay, so what do I do? I think this is a demo account setup here, it looks like. Yes, it does look like this is a demo account setup. Whose account is this? I don't know. Perhaps I should just power the phone off and maybe... Wait, I'm not saying power the phone off. Maybe turn off this camera temporarily and power this off. Actually, no. You know, I don't know what I mean to say this, but okay, what I think I meant to say is that I need to reset this, but obviously I cannot do that on camera, so I should just pause the video right now and do that. Yeah, gosh darn it, I don't know why that was so hard to say. I was just about to open some parts, but then I just remembered, wait, I still need to do the other part of this video where I actually show the phone set up. Well, here it is. So, one of the first things I did was just change the brightness, because I don't know why that is set to 22%. Like, who's going to be using their screen at 22%? Certainly not me, because that is just way too low. So, who is sending me a message? Let me find out who that is while we leave this guy to rest. Anyways, so, I'll finish checking that text message. It's my BlackBerry there. Yes, I still use a BlackBerry Passport in 2020 because I just do. And I guess what I need to do is go to maybe the theme store perhaps. Yeah, let's check that out. Oh, that's not good. I'm just staring at the screen. Okay, there we go. Okay, so why do I see focus something there? No, we just switch accounts. We need to sign in. Actually, you know what? Let's just not be bothered with that. Okay, let's just go to Cortex Games. Yeah, go to Cortex Games. By accepting... Really? Why is there so many data processing stuff whenever you're going through like Razer's things? It's like, I don't know what to say and what to do. You know, I'll just go over this afterwards. But I guess what is it? Except for now. Your choice matters. Choose your favorite game of October. No. Okay, so what I want to do now is just... Okay, let me make sure this looks good. Does everything look sharp? Alright. Okay, so let's go to Game Booster and see what we can do. No, nothing here. Actually, honestly, I have not done much digging into how to set this thing up, so I guess I'm just going to casually just wander all over the phone. Just look at what looks interesting, I guess. Just check out the calculator and things like that. My apologies for the lame unboxing. It's definitely not a review because I'm still not an expert at Android despite owning that Samsung Galaxy S5 for when did I get it? June, and it's September now. So yeah, it's been 3 months and 25 days since I started using Android, so I'm by no means going to be a whiz. But you know what I should do? I guess I should at least try and download a game of this sort. Yeah, I should do that. So okay, where is Google Play? Okay, it's be right there. Okay, so why don't I download? Well, what should I download actually? What would be a good game to test this thing? You know what I'm thinking? Flappy Bird, yes. Yes. If there's anything I can do to make this unboxing not so dang lame, it's to play Flappy Bird. Okay, so I see Flappy Nyan, I see Flappy Online, I see Flappy everything, really. So, I even see, like, Flappy Bird. I see Flappy Crush, Flappy Crow. Actually, yeah, I guess I'll check out Flappy Crow, why not? Or maybe not, I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll just go with Flappy Nyan. This is the only one that's super familiar to me, so we'll try that. Okay, open. Oh, that is loud! Well, if you ever wondered about the speakers, at least now you know. They're really good. Seriously, I don't know why the game wants to get into my account. Like, what the hell? Okay, now... Whoa, do you see that? The screen is rippling, man. That's not good. Hold on, let me adjust the lights. That's gonna look really bad, yo. Okay, I hope things don't look too dark, but honestly, the way that screen was looking last time, that was just not good. Okay, I'm not looking at the camera right now, so I don't know how good this is going to look, but whatever. Okay, I'm playing way too ridiculously bad. So bad, it's sad. Alright, we're doing much better now. Much better. Okay, I think that should be all for this Razer video. I know it hasn't been truly impressive and as immersive as you would like it to be, but it's because I just have so much to learn about this phone, so when I do learn more about it, I can obviously just make an updated video. So bear that in mind before you just be tempted to go like this. Instead, go like this. Because if I see too much of this, guess what? Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna punch you, so you better not thumbs this video down for it not being good enough. Anyways, I am out.